Hi everybody, welcome to Story Time, another in our series on Talk to the Animals. This one's all about Australian animals and it's called Snore, and it's written and illustrated by Alison Lester and it's with permission from ABC Books. Snore. I see a kookaburra with wings of speckled blue. What do you say, kookaburra? I see a lonely dingo going for a prowl. What do you say, lonely dingo? I see a whiskery wombat sniffing in the bush. What do you say, whiskery wombat? I see a cockatoo trying hard to talk. What do you say, cockatoo? I see a grey koala with gum leaves in her claw. What do you say, grey koala? I see a kangaroo just about to jump. What do you say, kangaroo? Goodbye. Oh, I hope you enjoyed hearing all of the sounds that our Australian animals make when they're out in the bush. I certainly enjoyed finding them for you. Have a good rest of the day. See you next time. Bye.